Come with me as I take you through what I'd consider a typical day in my work experience. From January to December, this is what a typical computer repairs, phones, and tablet technician will do. But I'm not the typical kind of guy. Let's take a look at what I do at the start of my day. So, beginning each morning, what I will do is start out with a little devotion. I mean, some people take it for granted that all will go well with their day, but knowing what I have been through, I have decided to start the day out right with devotion. And I'm a Bible person, so I will read the Bible a lot. As you will see in the slide to show, I read my Bible a lot. I'm not only a traveling tech, but I am a praying tech. And so I can't begin to tell you how many times that has saved me a lot of clients' work from being thrown out, because there are times when you get something to work on and you have done everything humanly possible to try and get it corrected, but you just can't seem to get by the problem. And it's after you take it to the man upstairs that you get a timely response. Yeah, that has been my experience. So definitely put that at the top of your things to do list whenever you start out each morning. After that, I will take a look at the online stores such as eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, and this is typically done to see if I can find items at a reduced price which I can then procure and either use in my repair strategy or take and modify somewhat and then resell to a customer who has asked for the said item. After I do my browsing and the saving and the cataloging of necessary items and products that I would like to get, I start the actual repair process. Typically, disassembly of a computer, if it's not too complexly built, it should take 5 to 10 minutes, give or take. But if it's something complex, it could take a little more time. After the device is disassembled and the necessary checks and corrections are made, I will put it back together. And putting it back together might take a little longer because you have to double check and triple check to see that you haven't unplugged anything that should be plugged in. And sometimes when you have plugged and assembled everything together, you realize that you forgot to do one thing, and then you have to do the whole disassembly again just to be sure. Afterwards, I may have something to eat depending on how satisfied I am with the jobs I had before. If not, I will keep working on this stuff while I eat lunch, or after I've completed that particular task to my liking, I will just grab something to eat afterwards. Then afterwards, it's cleaning up my area, because you know this kind of job requires a lot of movement and there's a lot of dust, and you have to make sure that the environment is free of dust and other such contaminants after you have completed such a job. Of course, the constituents used in this job are poisonous and toxic, so we have to be careful of how we use them, and we have to make sure that after each use we put them up and secure them from being accessed by other persons who may not know what is inside each of them. Afterwards, I will go to sleep and then repeat the process the next day. So that's what a typical computer repairs technician day is likely to be. I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.